Okay, there is Scratch Junior.
Yeah. Slowly move. Yes. Now I'll select the background. And you see this? Underwater.
Okay.
Tap 2 times. Then go here. This is not the underwater. This is characters.
Characters.
Look. I choose this.
Fish. Okay.
Then keep here. Go. Starfish. And wait. Just
Okay.
first. Then here.
Okay. Next. What do you do?
Next, we choose this.
So play button.
Play button. Got this. Look.
What's that?
Move right. You saw this?
Move right. Okay. Good job. Very good.
And this is repeat forever. And this is end this are.
Okay. Repeat forever and end.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. So you're giving repeat forever.
Yeah. And then go starfish. Here.
Play. Okay.
Start on green on. Okay. Then here move right. Keep it forever. And fish. Start on green flag.
Okay. Start on green flag.
Here. Move right. Go right. And repeat forward. Then now 3, 2,
Okay.
1.
3, 2, 1, go. Wow.
It's going medium, okay? So I have to take it.
So repeat forever.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then we need to go on speeds, yeah, speeds. Different speeds. Then we have to click this. This or this down button.
Yeah.
Click that. And you want to walk. Huh? Slow, yeah, slow. Then go here, same. Same.
So we are adding the speed button.
Yeah, this is medium, okay? We have to go super fast. And then go
Okay.
super fast.
Okay.
See how so want to be medium. Medium, okay?
Okay. All right.
So I have to play it. I'm gonna show you. Look. You want to be fast.
Oh, got it.
Different speeds, yeah?
Very good.
So now clock,
What is it for? Clock?
because we have look when the race goes and the ending will be here and everybody will be stopped on here only.
Okay.
Look.
Okay, got it.
Next would be fish.
For everything you're adding it?
Yeah, for everything.
Mm-hmm.
Because everybody want to stop on their only.
Mm-hmm.
On their place. I had to add number 16. One. Go to number 1 and 6.
Hmm? देते हैं हमको.
Okay, now. Oh, I have to show you. Look, stop over there. Stop.
Oh,
Wait.
got it.
So we'll remove the forever button.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's remove.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Mm-hmm.
go to starfish. Add message.
Add message. Okay.
This message.
Mm-hmm.
It says hi. We have to delete it.
Okay. Backspace.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then so caps lock. Then
Caps lock. Okay.
I.
Mm-hmm.
Caps lock off. Space. V.
Mm.
A. Well,
Oh, okay. Very
then
good. Mm-hmm.
now full screen. Yeah, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
That flag. Go.
Wow. So this is your program?
Yeah.
It's ICT assessment, right?
Yeah. Fish will go slow and starfish fast and medium.
Okay. Good
Seahorse.
job. Good job, Sahil.